Hey, it's Dr. Z. Like most of you, I'm feeling the sadness and frustration around the national news and chaos surrounding all of us. It's also extremely frustrating by the lack of concern by the news media and the public regarding the invisible killer that still exists, the coronavirus. It's my hope that as the chaos calms down, that you stay focused on rebuilding your health, so if you're exposed to the virus now or into the future, you can prevent developing COVID-19. As the world now opens up from coronavirus isolation and lockdowns ease up, now is the time to take care of yourself and rebuild your health. During the corona crisis, we've been dealing with isolation and the crazy confusion surrounding the virus. We've heard different death rates. We hear that hydroxychloroquine may work or may not work. There are questions like, does the virus spread through the air now or not? Does it spread through surfaces on boxes that get delivered to your home or not? There's also concerns whether a vaccine will work or if we should develop natural immunity through the population called herd immunity. Public health officials are saying that our antibodies to the coronavirus may or may not give us immunity to SARS CoV2. I think that's insanity. Can sunshine kill the coronavirus? Dr. David Friedman is a friend and a colleague who posted a well-written blog on how UVB radiation and sunshine kills the virus, and the deep state fact checkers from USA Today tried to debunk the article as nonsense. They pulled all the scientific facts and research references out of the piece, deliberately trying to make it seem like it had no basis and was BS. We know the news media censors what we see and what we hear. Health information and real legit health information is being censored and taken down. And this is a damn crime. Regardless of this confusion and what the news media is telling us or not telling us, we know those people who are at the highest risk and in danger of developing COVID-19, those people are the elderly, those who are obese and have excessive body fat, those with immune dysfunctions, heart disease, high blood pressure, respiratory disorders and disease, diabetes, and other chronic health issues. We also know medications you take can weaken your immune system. We know those people who are in danger from this virus are those with underlying health issues. What about those of you who don't know you have an underlying health issue because you haven't been properly evaluated or diagnosed accurately? While the news media is still creating crazy hype and fear, you must realize you have more control over this virus and certainly your health than what the news media is leading you to believe and what we're being told. The elderly are at serious risk because many elderly have multiple chronic health issues and they're on a boatload of medications. They're also deficient in vitamin D, zinc, calcium, and other vital nutrients that are needed to fight infection. Those with heart disease are in danger because the coronavirus can create congestive heart failure, force a heart attack, or create myocarditis, which is inflammation of the heart leading to abnormal heart rhythms, which are dangerous. Obesity is a danger. Those with excessive body fat and obesity often have sleep apnea, reflux disease, and asthma, which are hazards. Obesity is a known inflammatory condition that creates systemic inflammation that is exacerbated by an infection from this virus. Excessive body fat releases inflammatory chemicals called adipocytokines that have been proven through research to amplify systemic inflammation in the body, causing tissue damage, the same damage that is caused by the virus itself. What about those of you with uncontrolled blood sugar? Those with diabetes have an impaired immune response to infections due to elevated levels of these chemicals in our blood called cytokines. Let's not forget about a crappy diet. An inflammatory diet loaded with gluten, dairy, white processed sugar, and refined sugars, and other processed foods will definitely wreck your health and increase your risk of developing infection and creating disease. Research also shows most humans like you are deficient in super important nutrients that fight infections like vitamin C, vitamin D, calcium, and zinc. A deficiency in any of these nutrients increases your risk of getting infected and developing complications of viral infections. Known chronic health issues and unknown simmering health issues make this virus dangerous. So here's my question to you. What are you doing to rebuild your health? What are you doing now to get rid of dangerous body fat and resolve your blood sugar issues and resolve your blood pressure problems? What are you doing to get off medications and rebuild your immune system? My point of all this is you have to deal with your health now. You have to rebuild your health and your immune system now. The virus isn't going anywhere. To defeat this enemy and others that come along, or to prevent chronic health issues and disease, you must focus on rebuilding the internal terrain of your body to resolve your health issues and prevent disease from developing. Why wait? Waiting to finally take control of your health and rebuild your health or even get infected by the virus is like waiting to get struck by lightning. The current virus is mutating just like all other viruses. How are you preparing for the recurrence of the virus and its mutations? The best defense is a strong offense. So here's the bottom line. If you're frustrated because you have no answers or solutions to your chronic health issues, I can help. If you need guidance and you want to resolve those underlying health issues to reduce your risk of serious complications associated with the virus, I can help. As a physician and specialist in functional medicine, I dig deep to help you find why you have poor health and what you may be developing that you don't know about. And if you have unresolved chronic health issues, I suggest setting up an online consult to better understand your health issues and what you can do to resolve those health issues and reduce your risk of serious infection. I can review your current health records, your blood work, your history, and we together create a plan unique to you. And if you don't want one-on-one personalized care, I strongly recommend you get a copy of my book, Rebuild. Rebuild is the only program out there where you create a personal plan unique to your specific health issues. Rebuild is loaded with unbiased research and tools that can help you rebuild from heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and other chronic health issues and obesity that put you at risk for developing complications associated with the virus. The information in it will help you manage your health while you go through cancer care. You will know how heart disease develops and what you can do to rebuild from it. You will learn how diabetes and autoimmune disorders develop and how you can reverse and control those issues. You'll know exactly how to create a custom food plan unique to you to help you get lean and healthy that supports your immune system. There's also proven steps backed by research for you to get rid of that dangerous body fat and create a healthy body composition, one that is low fat and lean. I know it works. I've proven it works. It's worked for me. So if you want to reduce your risk of developing complications, serious complications from the virus, and you want to improve your body composition and get lean, or you want to resolve your underlying health issues so you don't have to rely on drugs and injections, I encourage you to set up an online consult with me so I can help rebuild your health, and I encourage you to get yourself a personal copy of my book, Rebuild. The reality is this: it may take several months or even years to find and create the right vaccine and prove its safety and to confirm the efficacy of medications. But we have proven research and clinical experience of what can be done now to strengthen your immune system and address your underlying health issues. This can be done in person if you're local or through the internet if you choose, or you can read about rebuilding yourself by getting yourself a copy of Rebuild. Don't wait for them to find answers for what you can do now that's been proven to work. If you're ready to resolve your chronic health issues and make enhancements in your health, my contact and clinic information are listed below. The link to get a copy of Rebuild for yourself is also listed below. I believe with the right tools, you can restore your health. And I have confidence we will get through these troubling times and certainly this pandemic. I look forward to being a part of your personal rebuild.